Today, guys, is going to be a little bit different. A few months back, I got a call from a client who had a home that needed to be sold, but the home needed absolutely a lot of work to be done. And my client told me up front that they did not have the money to actually fix up the property. And I know sometimes you may have that potential situation as well, where you may have a property that needs to be sold, but you don't have the money to fix it up. So in our case, I said, let's sit down, let's put together a plan, and let's just get the job done. So here's what we did, and these are the tips that I'm going to give to you. The first thing I recommended to my client was that you want to actually have a home inspection done. And a home inspection typically is a site inspection by an inspector, and it tells you overall what you can and need to do to the property to get it ready to go on the market, or things that need to be fixed. In my client's case, I recommended that we go a step further, which was to actually have specialty tradesmen come in to look at the property. For example, we had a roofer come in because there was a concern about the roof, an electrician, and a plumber. Yes, doing the specialty people to come in usually costs you a little bit more, but it gives you more in-depth information about the condition of the property. Second thing that we did was, now that we knew what the condition of the property, we then went ahead and we wanted to price the property accordingly by taking a look at what's been selling in the market, of course, and then taking into account what work needed to be done. That's how we then came up with the actual pricing for the property. So I would recommend to you to ask your real estate professional to do the same thing. Now that we know the condition, we know the pricing, the third and most critical piece of this is what we did was to market the property. And when you market the property, you want to make sure you're marketing it to a clientele that's going to want it. So what we did was we focused on investors, and we focused on people who were looking to turn a property into their dream home. And by doing this, we actually got a couple who had been in the market looking for a property, but they really couldn't afford the one that they really wanted. So they saw ours, they saw the potential, and they came in because we already had all of the inspections done. They knew exactly what they were getting, and they felt comfortable with going forward, and we sold the properties. So if you have any questions or concerns or need advice, feel free to DM me, call me, or send me a text, and I'm always happy to help.